Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Atlas Destroyer from the new Netflix show Pacific Rim: The Black. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Atlas Destroyer, we are going to begin with the face. So starting right here towards the top, we just want to make a little line across. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up on each side. And then we're going to come up a little bit farther with kind of like a diagonal line. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to come in to kind of form the face shield. Then right here, we're going to make a little kind of smiley face shape at the very bottom. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes off the top. And I'm going to make a little line that comes up on each side. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down. And we'll put a little V shape right in the middle. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a sad face shape for the top of the head. And I'm going to make a little line that comes out here and a little line that comes out here. Next, we'll make a little line that curves down on each side. And then one that's going to come down. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to make a line that comes out on each one. We're going to draw a line that comes in. Then we're going to make another smaller line that comes in. Next, we'll draw a line that comes down, kind of at an angle. And then we'll just kind of curve it here. Starting here, we're just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down with like a sad face. And starting here, we're going to make a line that goes out, down, and then in. We'll go out, down, and in. Next, we want to move on to the neck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and we're going to make a little diagonal line on each side of the face. And we're going to make a line that comes in, and a line that goes up like a V. I'm going to make these lines just a little bit taller. Then I'm going to angle each one down. Next, we'll make a line that comes down on each side. Then we're going to go down a little farther. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down and a line that comes up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes in, and over here we're going to draw a line that comes in for the body. Next, we'll make a line that comes in, and another one that comes in with a little line across. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes up to connect it. And right over here, we're going to make a little skinny rectangle shape on each side. going to make a line that comes down on each end. And I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up for the shoulders. We're going to make a line that comes down on each end. Then it's going to come in. Then we're going to go out again. Then I'm going to come in, we're going to go down and connect. So once again, we'll go in, we'll go down and connect. Now starting here, I'm going to make a square shape that comes down at the bottom. Do the same thing here, we're going to go down, over, and up for a square shape. Make a little line that goes over, down, and in. We'll go over, down, and in. Next, I'm going to add a little half circle at the end. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down at an angle. Will come straight down. Then we'll go in. Next, we're going to go over and up, and I'm trying to line it up right with that little half circle. So we're just going to go over, and we'll just line it up with that half circle. I'll make a line that goes out. It's going to come down and then in. Same thing here, we're going to go up. We're going to go down and then in. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. And we'll do the same thing here, down, over, and up. Make a line that goes over, down, and we're just going to hook it around and bring it up. So watch again, we'll go over, we'll come down, we'll kind of hook it around, then we're going to come up. Right here we'll go down and over, go down and over. We're going to come up at an angle and then bring it up here. So we'll come up at an angle and bring it up. Draw a line that goes down and over, down and over. A little line that goes up, a little line that goes up, and in. Now starting here, we'll make a line that comes out on each side. Line that comes in and up, and a line that comes in and up. We'll make a long rectangle shape right here. I'm going to make a line that goes down and then in, down and then in. I'll draw a line that comes up at an angle. We're going to come up at an angle. Bring this down, and we'll bring this one down. We'll go over, and we're going to come up. We'll go over, and then we will come up. I'm going to make a little rectangle shape down here for like where the knee would be. Make a line that goes down, over, down and over. We're going to come up at an angle and over, up at an angle and over. I'm going to add a little curved line on each side. Little line's going to go up and then in. Start here, we'll go up and then in. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little square shape, and you can see it's kind of pointing out just a little bit. So we'll do the same thing here, a little square shape. Little line that comes down at a diagonal. Another one here. And a little line across to connect. Little line that goes out, over, and up. Same thing here, we're going to go out, over, and then up. Little line that's going to come over, and another little line that's going to come over. I'm going to go up and then in, up and then in. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes out and then in, out and then in. And then here's our basic shape of our Atlas destroyer. Now we want to come in here and start putting in some of the different details. So I'm going to go a little bit faster through this. We won't be able to get all the details. We'll try to get as many in here as we can just to make this look really cool and interesting. So right here on the middle here, I'm going to make a little square shape. And then we're going to make a little line that comes down. We're going to make a V shape here with two little lines that come down. Then we'll make another V shape to connect it. Do the same thing here, V shape, two little lines that come down, and another V shape. I'm also going to add a little line that goes down and down and in. And kind of like a little triangle shape out here on the sides. Now, up here on the face, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to go in and then up, in and up. Now, up here on the chest, we're going to make kind of like the little eagle shape. So to do that, we're just going to draw a big V shape. You can see I go from this corner down up to this corner. I want to make a line that comes up on here. And then I'm just going to curve this line up. And we're just going to curve it up here too. And then there are some little lines in here, but we'll color those in when we do the blue. There's also going to be a little star shape right here in the middle. I'm going to make a couple little square shapes here. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to add a little line up here, and then I'm going to put a triangle shape right here. Do the same thing here, a little line here, and then a little triangle shape right there. We'll add a little line that goes down and over, down and over. I'll add a little line that comes down here on each side. And a little line that's going to go down and then in, down and in. Down here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to go down and in, out, down, and in. Make a little rectangle shape at the top of each of these. And I'll make a little line that comes across here. I'm going to make two little lines that come up on the bottom here. And I'm going to put a little rectangle shape around here. I'm going to add a little curved line on each side here. Then up here I'm going to add another little line for some more stripes. We'll add a little line here on the hands. And another little curved line down here. We'll add a little rectangle shape here. And we'll add a little curved line on each side. Little line that goes in and up, in and up. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Atlas Destroyer from Pacific Rim the Black. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.